In this video, I'll show you how to share live location on Snapchat. All right, first up, you'd want to enable these settings on your phone. I'm currently using an Android phone, so I would want to go to my settings right here. All right, then head over to apps. You can do this as well on your iOS. All right, now find this Snapchat. Once you have it located, just go ahead and tap on it. Now in here under app info, just tap on permissions. Tap. Now in here, you'd want to make sure that locations is allowed. All right. If ever that location is not allowed, just go ahead and tap on the locations. For example, tap on this one and just hit on allow. All right. Once you're done, just tap on the back button and open up your Snapchat. All right. Once it's opened, to be able to share your location, just go ahead and tap on the message icon and look for the person who you'd want to receive your live location. Say, for example, this person right here. All right. Now, what we're going to do next is just basically tap on the map icon right here. All right. Near media. All right. Tap on it. Now, you have two options, drop a pin or set up my home. All right. Now, for this example, I'm just going to hit on drop a pin. And again, Snapchat wants to use your location. Just hit on allow and wait for it to process. And as you can see here, to continue your device, we'll need to use location accuracy. Just go ahead and turn on. The map will pop up. Again, just tap on drop a pin. And as you can see here, we have sent our location to a friend. Now, when the person taps on it, he will be able to see you in the map. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.